Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find auto screen off, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose, and at the top we've got relatively short options, so 15 and 30 seconds, and then we've got longer ones like 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to set the blackout option we have to simply tap on it. So let me pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.